Hey, if you wonder how we can change theme on the Nothing phone to A, like for example in my case, so as a default you actually cannot do this. So what I mean, when you go to the settings on the Nothing phone, you cannot find something like theme or theme store or stuff like this. And you can only use some external launchers, like in my case. As you can see, from here I just download the Nova launcher and I've got like almost completely new theme. And if you want to do this, like if you want to get this Nova launcher, of course it's actually like a basic version of the Nova launcher, because when you open it you can actually custom almost everything from the home screen to the app drawer to the folders, search, whatever you want. You can actually customize it to your own preferences. But that's just a short preview how you can actually change it. So if you want to get this Nova launcher, or for example the Pixel launcher like this one, take a look. So all you have to do is just to actually open the Play Store and input the launcher phrases. And when you do this, you can actually find the Pixel launcher, you can download it, and the same for the Nova launcher, this one. And if you want to set these launchers as default, so like just get it all the time, you have to go into the settings, then go to the apps. Now select default apps and move into the home application. Click here, here, and switch to the Nova or Pixel launcher, for example. And here we are. And if you want to customize something like, for example, the app drawer, you can for sure do this. You can also get the swipe indicator. Take a look right here. When you take a look for some other options, like for example the night mode, so we can actually change the theme colors for sure for the night mode. And we can also do this for the folders, search bar, and stuff like this. We can also change some gestures, so you can get, for example, the home button, the app drawer button. And yeah, you can actually customize a lot of things in this launcher. You have to just spend some time and set it up to your own preferences, and you will actually find like a lot of different cool features in this launcher. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.